Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a very pretty and a very elegant mehendi look on this model. I'm starting with prepping of the face with hydration and I'm drying that, very important step because we need to hydrate the skin very well, and then of course I'm going to apply my serum because even that helps in more better hydration of the skin. So nicely blending that, and of course I have to hydrate the lips too, so that I'm using a lip balm. And then I'm starting with the concealing part. This is basically, she had some redness on her skin, so I'm using the green concealer just to hide the red blemishes, so that the skin looks more even and the areas that were slightly darker. So I'm just using a little bit of my orange concealer, and then I'm just going to dab everything together, just in dab motion. And then of course, once everything is all set, I am going to be using my foundation and checking the shades of the foundation, whichever is closer to her skin tone. I think I have decided on using both the shades together, so I have mixed two shades and I'm applying it all over the face with a flat brush, and just blending it nicely on different areas of the face. And then once it's all set, I am going to again dab it in with my blending sponge, and then of course the last part is to set it with my brush, and all the areas that my brush couldn't reach, I'm again dabbing it with my blender, as this just gives a more natural look, more finished look, and the foundation actually stays longer. Now I'm applying the highlighting area, so I'm applying slightly lighter colors to highlight her areas that need more brightness, and that's what I'm applying on the areas that is required. So this is a step which you can do, you can skip, you can decide which area you need to highlight, which you don't want to highlight. And then of course I need to blend it nicely with my foundation, because sometimes some areas of foundation tends to get a little darker, so that's the reason we need to highlight few areas. And then I'm just setting that with powder, and I need to just dab in the powder very lightly, that there's not too much powder on the face, because that can leave lines. And then of course I'm doing my powder contouring, as her face did not require very heavy contouring, so I'm just using the powder contouring and the highlighting of the contouring powder. And then I'm using slight loose powder under the eyes. This helps in baking and also helps in the fallouts from the eyes that I'll be doing. And now I'm applying the eye base, and the eye base of course has to be again dabbed in nicely, finishing the eyebrows with an angular brush, which is very important part. So I'm not doing the eyebrows too dark or stark, because I want the makeup to look more natural. So I'm just concentrating on just blending whatever eyebrows that she had and just like neatening it out. It's very important to give a nice shape. And now applying the colors. So for transition, I'm applying a slightly warmer color on the skin, on the eyelid, so that we just, whatever extra brighter colors that we use, look more blended. So just blending out like a warmer brown to reddish tone, and then I'm adding the darker colors in the from the crease line into the lid. And you can see I'm using a monochromatic palette in green, and this kind of a palette makes it very easy to choose the different shades of the same family. So I love using such palettes because I can actually work on the same shades of like monochromatic colors, but I mean, from light green to dark green, I'm just going to be blending all the colors on the eyes. So I'm working a lot with a small blending brush, and the brushes of course of my brand, Meenakshi Dutt Academy brand brushes, and they are designed by me, and they are perfect for all kind of makeups. And then I'm just dabbing in some darker color on the eyes to make it look more smoky. And okay, I'm just making sure that it's all setting in nicely, and then just applying a little bit of glitter glue on the eyes, because I want to apply some nice glitter on the eyes, and so that the makeup, the monochromatic colors are too strong, just to make it more softer, more feminine, and more occasion based. I'm using some glitter, and you can see the glitter is really making a lot of difference. And then I'm finishing the look with the pen liner, and as I don't want the liner to be too strong, just enough to just give a definition to the eyes. And once I have done the pen liner from both the eyes, and then I'm going to be doing another step which I'm going to show you very soon. Okay, now that my liner is done, I'm using the darker shade of the same green monochromatic palette. Under the eye, I'm blending it nicely till half the eye, and then I'm using a green pencil just to give it a more finished look. And now time to add the highlighter, and I'm just blending the highlighter with a highlighting brush, and then applying my lashes. The lashes have already been cut and set so that it's according to the eye shape, and not neither too long, neither too short, just the right size for her eyes. And then I'm just giving a little shape with a pencil, and then adding some liquid lipstick, a stay-on liquid lipstick, because I want the lipstick to stay very, very long. Make sure you always use a very, very good quality lipstick, because sometimes the liquid lipsticks can lead to cracks. So it's always very important to invest in good quality lipsticks which have good staying power. And now I'm applying the mascara, and I'm blending that with my false lashes, so I don't the original lashes don't look separated from the false lashes. And also you need to apply mascara underneath the lashes, which is also very, very important part, so that whatever powder is on the lashes also kind of fades away. And then of course the last step is the setting spray. I like using more of dewy setting sprays, and I like to use a lot of it, so that gives a more shine. And then I'm just touching up my highlighter after I apply the setting spray, to just make the highlighter look more shinier and more brighter, because at this point of time the skin is more wet. And that is our pretty Mehendi look. She's looking elegant, beautiful, very ready for the function. So guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.